Hey, it's Design Guy here. Ready to tweak text in your images? I'll walk you through the steps in Canva. Click the Create button to start a new project. Set the size to 300 by 300 pixels for your design. After setting the dimensions, navigate to the Elements section in the sidebar. Next, find and select the Text option to add text elements. To remove text from an image, start by clicking Edit. Next, go to the Tools section. If you don't see all available tools right away, look for a See All option and click it. This will display the full list of editing tools, including those for text removal. To extract text from an image using Grab Text, first position your cursor over the area containing the text you want to capture. Click and drag to select the specific section of the image. Once you've made your selection, release the mouse button. Grab Text will process the selected area and prepare the text for you to copy and use elsewhere. Select the text you want to remove, then click the Grab Text button. This action will extract the selected content for you. Next, with the text still selected, press the Delete key or use the Delete option to remove it from the document. This removes the unwanted text and keeps your document organized. Remember, grabbing text copies it first, so you can paste it elsewhere if needed before deleting it from your original file. Next, navigate to the Colors panel. Here you can select from preset color options or create a custom color scheme. If you want to adjust the design, use the Grab tool to select elements. Click on the card and any text you want to modify. To remove images, hold Shift and click to select both images. Once selected, press the Delete key or click the trash icon in the toolbar to remove them from your project. This helps keep your design clean and focused. Continue customizing other elements as needed by selecting and editing or deleting unwanted items from your workspace for a more streamlined appearance. Click the Edit button to begin adjusting your image. Once the editing panel opens, look for the color adjustment options, typically located in the sidebar or under a dedicated tab. Select Color, and use the sliders or presets to change brightness, contrast, or saturation. Make your adjustments, preview the changes in real time, and once satisfied, apply the edits to finalize your image. Click the Share button, then select Download. To maximize the quality of your download, choose the highest available size option. After setting the size, click Download again to start the process. Your file will begin downloading automatically. You've learned how to edit text right inside an image using Canva. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more easy design tips.